What's up, everybody? This is Pat Miller coming to you from the Total Joint Physical Therapy in Homewood, Alabama. And today we're going to talk about day one of a 7-day workout challenge specifically for beginners to help you move more freely. Our goal is to help improve your strength, it's help improve your heart health, it's to help improve your flexibility. So each day we'll be targeting a different thing to try to get you up and moving a little bit better. We're hoping that each day would be quick and easy so you can implement it into your busy lifestyle. We're hoping particularly for beginners, it'll be low load, low stress, but get you up and moving a little bit and hopefully springboard you into a more active lifestyle, which would be beneficial. If you're coming here from our Instagram post, you already know what the workout is. For 5 consecutive minutes, we're going to do 15 squats, 15 jumping jacks, 15 high knees, and 15 push-ups. Now I'd like to do something called as many rounds as possible. So during those 5 minutes, you're going to do as many rounds of those exercises as you can. After 5 minutes, you'll take a minute break, let yourself recover a little bit, and then you'll do it again. And we're going to do 3 rounds of 5 minutes of each of those exercises. This is an exercise program called high intensity interval training. Now what we're hoping for that to do is get your heart beating a little bit, get your endurance a little bit better, and get you stronger kind of at the same time while not having to spend as much time as you would, say, going for a run or a long walk. Before getting started, make sure you've drank enough water, make sure you've had a good warm up, getting your legs moving, getting your arms moving a little bit. We wouldn't just want to going cold right into this exercise program. Just kind of make sure you're getting yourself up and moving a little bit before you get started. Okay, first exercise, simply enough. Everyone's heard about it before. It's called jumping jacks. All you're gonna do is swing your arms up and your legs out at the same time. Now, if this is too much for you, you can simply have your feet planted, step to the side as your arms swinging, and then alternate your legs. Something as simple as that could be really, really beneficial. I want you to try 15 of them total before going to the next exercise. Okay, next exercise would be squats. We're gonna do 15 squats this time. All you're gonna do, feet planted, bend your knees, push back up. Bend your knees, push back up. Looking from the side angle, I like to get your butt back a little bit, kind of like that, and push. Down and up, down and up. We're gonna try 15 of those. I don't really care how low you get this time. It's a beginner's exercise program. Let's just get your knees moving a little bit. Okay, next round, we're gonna move into high knees. Very simply, you're going to raise your legs up as high as you feel comfortable making them. Now, if this is uncomfortable for you, if you don't like the impact, feet planted, one leg at a time. Just raise as high as you feel comfortable going it. Swing your arms at the same time. Try 15 times before you relax. Okay, we're moving into push-ups. There's 3 different ways you could potentially do it, all different levels depending on how you feel, depending on how difficult it is for you. The first option is you could get down on the ground, legs extended, and you could go down and up, down and up. We're gonna try 15 of those. If that's too challenging for you, knees to the ground, same thing, down and up. Again, you would try 15 of those. If that is still too challenging for you, get up against the wall. And what you're gonna do is drive down, push up, drive down, push up. 15 of those. As soon as you're done that, go back to those jumping jacks. You'll do those 15 before going into the squats, before going into the high knees, and then the push-ups again. You're gonna try 5 consecutive minutes of that before you take 1 minute break. Okay, I hope you really enjoyed day one of your 7-day workout challenge for beginners. That was a high intensity interval training program. You should be sweating, you should be feeling pretty good. Make sure you're grabbing some water, do a cool down if you'd like to. We'll see you tomorrow for the next challenge.